In this video, I'm going to show you how to build reports in HubSpot. Now to do this here in your dashboard, first you want to go to the bottom left and you want to hover over this button, which is called reporting, and then you want to click on reports over here, which is the second option. Now here inside reports, you can go to the top right and click on create, and then click on create report. You could also go and create one with AI if you want to, which in many cases is going to be simpler. I'm just going to go and hit this button over here to show you how to do it without AI first. Now from here, as you can see, you can start on your own, or you can go and select any of the templates from your library over here. I'm actually going to go, as I said, with the custom report, and I'm going to click on next. Now from here, as you can see, you can create it on your own or with a data set. So I'm actually just going to go and select the on my own option, and I'm going to go and choose the primary data source as contact. You could do anything else as well. And then from here, you can click on the next button top right, and there we go. This is going to allow you to build your own report. Okay, so again, you can go and see the visualization over here. There's going to be a bunch of different options. You have the style over here, which you can change, and then the filters as well if you want to add any to filter through your reports. Up top, you can give it a name. So I'm going to name this one tutorial, just like that. And as you can see, you can then go and select your data source as I showed you earlier. So we can edit this, you can filter it, and here you can see your default measures. So to do this, you can just go and drag fields. So for example, like this, you can see columns and then fields over here, and you can go and filter as well. And of course, you can add multiple if you want to as well. So I'm actually going to make it that way, and it's going to show me kind of my report over here on the right, which I generated by simply clicking and dragging things into fields or columns over here on the left of my visualization pane, okay? Here you can then see your unsummarized and then summarized data as well, which takes a few seconds to build. And then over here on the right, if you want to collaborate with the assistant, you can always go and ask it different questions and stuff like that. And it's going to help you with everything. And you can then use it to kind of help you with your reports as well, okay? When you're done, hit this Save Report button top right, and it's going to allow you to build your report in HubSpot just like this. That's if you actually want to go the manual way, but of course you also have the option with AI or with templates. So if you select templates over here, you can just hit the next button and find a templates. I'm going to go and click on, for example, this first one available over here. And you can then see how it's looking like. You can set the settings, you can then go and save it or edit in Report Builder, and that way you basically kind of save time by not actually having to do everything from scratch. Then if you want to go and use AI, you can always go back and exit as I showed you earlier. And you can hit the create or generate report with AI button, which I'm going to show you right now when this page loads for me. And then from there we go inside reports, click on create, and then create report with AI. And that's also going to be possible, okay? So in my case, it's currently grayed out because it's still loading. That may happen. If it happens, just wait for a few seconds. There we go. It's going to pop up like this. And you can then go and type in, for example, generate report on like leads or contacts or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to type in generate a report on new contacts added or something like that. Of course, this may not make the most sense, but that's all I really have here because this is just one of my demo accounts I'm using for this tutorial. And there we go. It's going to start gathering everything and checking it, and it's going to give you a report. It's going to build for you just like that. Okay, it says preparing the report. So yes, you're going to have to wait for a few seconds. What's very convenient here, it's going to allow you to basically see what it's currently doing. So it's, as you can see, it took me to the process, and then here we have the report. And as you can see, there we go. Here's my report. You can then save it, click on the edit button to actually edit this, and that's essentially how to build a report. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.